Recovering deleted messages on YouTube TV can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a guide to help you retrieve those messages. Step 1. Check your YouTube TV account settings. Look into your YouTube TV account and navigate to the settings. Look for any options related to message history or notifications that may allow you to view deleted messages. Step 2. Review email notifications. If you have email notifications enabled, check your email inbox for any messages from YouTube TV. Sometimes, important notifications or messages may have been sent to your email before deletion. Step 3. Access your device's message history. If you are using a mobile device or smart TV, check the message history on the device. Some devices may store temporary copies of messages that can be accessed even after deletion. Step 4. Contact YouTube TV support. If you cannot find the messages through the previous steps, consider reaching out to YouTube TV support. They may have additional tools or methods to help you recover your deleted messages. Step 5. Regularly backup important messages. To prevent future loss, make it a habit to backup important messages. You can take screenshots or copy and paste important information into a document for safekeeping. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of recovering deleted messages on YouTube TV. Remember to regularly check your settings and notifications to avoid losing important information in the future.